The Ministry of Magic wants to set up a Floo network. For those of you who don't know, a Floo network is a transportation system that basically lets wizards jump out of your fireplace. Now, the Ministry wants to connect 25 fireplaces, and each fireplace must be connected to exactly 11 others. How many possible Floo networks are there? If you want to try the problem, you can pause here. One word of advice: spend at most 10 minutes. If you're on the right track, it shouldn't take that long. Assuming you've given the problem a try if you want, here's the solution. We can model the Ministry's problem using a mathematical tool known as a graph. For example, a dot represents a fireplace. Fireplaces connected in the Floo network will be connected on our graph with a line. On the contrary, these two blue points are not connected in the graph, and are also not connected in the Floo network. Before we go into a bunch of trial and error, let's think about how many lines we need to draw in our graph. Since each fireplace is connected to 11 others, this translates to each dot having 11 lines connected to it. In total, the whole graph has 25 dots. So there are 275 lines connected to the dots. But wait a minute! 275 is not our total number of lines, because every line is connected to 2 dots. For example, consider these two fireplaces that are connected. The blue line is connected to fireplace A and counted once. The blue line is also connected to fireplace B and counted once. But the blue line is just one line, so we are double counting. Therefore, the actual number of lines is 275 divided by 2, which is 137.5. What? 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 How can you have 137.5 lines? Well, you can't. As a result, the Ministry's plan for such a Floo network is impossible. One important thing to realize from this problem is that you should consider different aspects before trying to brute force a solution. In this case, looking at how many lines we have to draw can save us a lot of trial and error.